Hello, today we have a 2011 Toyota Sienna with the bad main fuse. Okay, this we took the headlights so we can get to this 10mm bolts holding the fuse box. So this is the main fuse right here. After replacing it, it looks like this. So this is the main fuse, the broken one. So to remove it, we have to open these clips around the fuse box. By opening all of them, we can split the fuse box on two pieces, and so we can disconnect some stuff in the bottom. We have to remove those zip ties too, because the box has to split on two pieces. You just push these clips out from all the sides. There is clips in the back, clips in the front. I think 3 on each side and 2 on the each side. So once we open those clips and the fuse box is all loose, we can split it on two, so we can get to the connectors holding the main fuse from the bottom. Okay, we got it split on two. This is the connectors I'm talking about. There is 3 of them, white connectors in the bottom of the main fuse. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect those. Plus there is around 6 wires bolted to the main fuse. So you just push the clip in the back and it will be disconnected. I will take the camera off to do that. This main fuse was broken due to a defect alternator. This can happen if you jump the wrong way the battery, or on this case we have here, it was a bad alternator that was installed in this car, and it made the main fuse to burn. So this is the wires holding it. There is 3 clips holding this thing inside the fuse box. We just push them up, and now we're gonna disconnect those wires and put the new one. One of the symptoms was in this car that it was no windows working, no lights inside. The car will start, but nothing works inside. This side is 8mm and this side are 10mm. So we installed the new one. Now we're gonna push it back in place, connect it from the bottom with those 3 connectors, and then put everything together: the headlight, the bumper, and the battery. Hopefully this video will help you on something. Thank you.